If you also want to install a 2 kilowatt solar system at your home in these summers, then in Off-Grid you get many options. Through these, you can prepare a good 2 kilowatt system within a low budget, or you can also build a heavy capacity 2 kilowatt solar system or a future-proof 2 kilowatt solar system. With this, in the future, you can upgrade it to 3 kilowatt as well. Now, first we talk about the person who has a low budget and wants to prepare a 2 kilowatt system at minimum cost. For that, you will need to use a 2 kVA inverter, which can easily support panels up to 2 kilowatt. These 2 kVA inverters are easily available in most brands, and all 2 kVA inverters support at least 2 batteries. However, if you need more battery backup, then you can either choose a lithium battery option or go for a 4 battery setup. That means you can select a 2 kVA and 48 volt model. In this, first we choose the Eastman Solar Max Series 3124 model. It easily supports panels up to 2 kilowatt, and it also provides some features. It comes with zero drop MPPT solar charge topology. 3 saving modes are provided. Intelligent hybrid solar helps reduce electricity bills or increase battery backup. An isolated gate drive is also provided for the solar charger. PV reverse protection is available. Smart selection between grid and solar is available, and it gives pure sine wave output. If you do not want the Eastman, then you can choose the UTL Gamma 2600 model. It also supports panels up to 2 kilowatt and provides many features. It has a multicolor LCD display and buttons to select parameters. It offers multi-charging stages. Solar priority is given for load and battery charging, and it prefers solar over grid so that maximum solar power is used. It provides pure sine wave output and almost all types of protection. It is also compatible with a DG generator. If you want to connect it with a generator, you can do that. It can also handle computer type IT load easily. But you will need to use a battery from the same company. If you choose Eastman, use Eastman battery. If you choose UTL, use UTL battery. The price of both is almost the same. Both are available around 14,000 rupees. Since 2 batteries are required, if you choose lead acid, it will cost around 25,000 rupees. If you choose lithium, it will cost around 30 to 35,000 rupees. 2 kilowatt solar panels are available at around 35,000 rupees. This depends on technology, size and brand, but roughly you should get it at around 35,000 rupees. In addition, stand and wiring will cost around 15,000 rupees. So overall your 2 kilowatt setup will be ready in about 90,000 rupees. But this is not future proof. It is budget friendly, suitable for low budget users. If you want a future proof and better system, then you only need to change the inverter. The inverter load capacity should be 3 kVA. You need an inverter that can handle 3 kVA load. Options include UTL Gamma Plus 3400, Aprotron 3200 or Asha Power 3024 model. The UTL one cost around 18 to 19,000 rupees. The Asha Power one cost around 40,000 rupees. If you want a hybrid system, then you can choose a 3.6 kilowatt and 24 volt model, which costs around 75,000 rupees. That is more expensive, so consider it only if you want hybrid and future net metering. Otherwise, from the 3 options mentioned, choose based on budget. If budget is low, go with UTL. If you want better quality, go with Asha Power. In the UTL model, you will get the same features as the 2600 model, but in EA Pro, you get additional features. It includes a 104 amp MPPT solar charge controller, a large multicolor LCD display, and pure sine technology. You can connect 6 panels of 575 watt, meaning more than 3 kilowatt panels can be installed. It can easily handle around 2 kilowatt load. You can run a 1-ton inverter AC with 5-star rating or a 1 HP submersible pump. You can configure battery charging, voltage, current, and solar charging parameters. It also includes saving modes. Grid charging can be enabled or disabled. The display also shows how many units of electricity your solar system has generated. Very few inverters show units on the display. Most show only voltage and current, but this one shows daily unit generation. Now the EA Pro and UTL 3400 both cost around 18 to 19,000 rupees. If you build this combo, your total cost will go up to around 95,000 rupees. So you only need to invest around 4 to 5,000 rupees extra to make your system future proof. But if you choose Asha Power, then you need to invest around 40,000 rupees extra. So only choose it if your budget allows. If you go with lithium using UTL Gamma Plus 3400 and UTL battery, then total cost will be around 1 lakh rupees. This was the off-grid system cost. If you install an on-grid system, very few people choose 2 kilowatt on-grid, but the cost will be around 1,20,000 to 1,40,000 rupees depending on brand. For example, UTL systems systems are available between 1,20,000 to 1,40,000 rupees. Wari type brands can go up to 1,80,000 rupees. It also depends on panel technology. So overall, consider 1,20,000 to 1,40,000 rupees as cost. You can get subsidy of 78,000 rupees. So the final cost becomes around 70 to 80,000 rupees. This system can generate around 10 units per day. If your daily requirement is 10 units, then 2 kilowatt setup is suitable. If you need 15 units, then you should install a 3 kilowatt system. If you still have any questions or suggestions, comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also, subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos regularly.